So, a typical day in the lockdown period. Here I begin. I hung between boredom and panic in the beginning, following the rise in COVID-19 cases. Frankly, I was terribly alarmed. Slowly but steadily, I learned the hard way to make the best of my lockdown. I now describe a typical day wherein I adjusted to a basic routine. I get up as usual from under covers lazily and go about the usual morning course, brushing my teeth, having breakfast. It was disappointing at first that I won't be able to be with my friends for the whole day, but I learned to accept it. Breakfast is a slow routine nowadays. No horn from the bus, no shouts from my friends. Aman, you slop, you hurry up, or the bus is gonna leave without you. My sister joins me soon after in my breakfast when my mom puts a delicious plate of omelette in front of me. My sister quickly gulps the omelette and promptly vanishes. I was infuriated and I complained to my mother about it. She scolded my sister, but for killing time I started arguing with my mom and my sister about how careless she is. And but mom was clever enough to understand my pranks, and I went out of the room as quickly as possible and started with my studies before I get spanked in front of my sister. Our teacher starts usually with English, the usual comprehension and all sentence making. The next period was quite interesting, history period. We had to prepare collages and ma'am took our viva, which I passed with flying colors. Now, to my great relief, I jumped out of my chair for the much awaited lunch break. Mom makes a variety of dishes. Even in this awkward time, me and my both are free. Even in these awkward times, both me and mom experiment by making all these kinds of dishes. But because I was having my classes, she made a beautiful dish. I don't know, I guess it was some shrimp biryani. She put some shrimp in it, and yeah, it tasted. I had my food, and I video called my dad, who apparently lives in Chandigarh. It was quite disappointing because my father was not with us during these times. But yeah, just like I had to believe that I was locked in my house without meeting my friends in school. I got used to that my father living in Chandigarh too. Now, when the lunch break gets over, I go back to my study room, and it was maths, my favorite subject. I wonder out what all the teachers were thinking at that period, because most of the time our teacher just wasted our time by just giving us few questions which was not even in our exam. Now, maths takes quite a time. There were 2 periods of maths, which in total, which is 140. From 1:40 to 2 o'clock. So I 10 minutes each period. So as usual, I started solving those questions. And now, after 2 o'clock, finally, the much awaited science class, which is usual because which is quite exciting, because today our ma'am was starting a new chapter about all these force and laws of inertia, Isaac Newton's law of inertia and all that. So I wish to become a scientist, and my parents say starting early is the best way. Finally at 3, my classes get over and I relax with a cup of Complan, tired but happy. Thank you.